Hey everyone, what's up? And আজকে আমার কাছে এই প্যাকেজটা আছে যেটা RM কিউব কালেকশন সেন্ড করেছে। তারা এই ভিডিওটা স্পন্সর করেছে and they have sent me Yuxin LM and GQ speed cubing. Be sure to check them in the link in the description below. So প্রথমে Yuxin LM টা আমরা আনবক্স করি, দেখি ভিতরে কি আছে। So I am very hyped for this cube. এর দাম হচ্ছে মাত্র $5 মতো বা 450 টাকা, বাট আমি অনেক রিভিউ দেখেছি and I think it has a very good potential to be my one-handed me because I know it's a very light cube. It weighs only gram. So হচ্ছে কিউবটা পাশে রাখলাম, হচ্ছে বক্স, pretty standard. অত কিছু নাই, just normal box and pamphlet. Here it is, and I know that you don't want to see anything of this, so I'll just give it a sight. Here is the cube. It's a black one and the sticker shades are pretty good, but I don't know why is it their problem, but I think the edges are a bit rough. I can feel it over here. The edges are a bit rough and the cube is very loose, as you can see. But let's give it a go. Oh man, performance amazing. It has a very unique papery smooth feeling, and see, it's very smooth even in light tensions, loose tensions. It's pretty much stable. Oh, it's really a wonder. Oh, it's overshoot. Oh man, very fast. It's difficult to control it. Oh, so this cube is definitely really good. Let's check the QJ timer over here. Let's keep it aside for now. So this is the I think one of the cheapest timer you can get for speed cubing, and QJ provides this. Life is the QJ Magic Cube. Don't think so. So let's check it out. Not bad. Boxing is very good. Focus please. Thank you. So pretty standard box, and it already came pre-kit with the batteries, so I don't have to calculate a thing. So the timer includes a timer and a wire to connect it to the PC. We'll see again that if it works or not. So let's get it aside. And here is the timer. So here is the speed timer. Magic cube. Let's check what's inside. Oh, it can open too. Okay. So here's the place for the batteries, a magnet to hold it in place. Okay, so oh, it just popped in. So focus please. Okay. Adjust the camera. Okay. There's power, turn it on. As you all know, the QJ speed timer has a little flaw. That is two lights over here. It's very distracting during the solve. See? It's very distracting during the solve. So one good idea I have is to just place some kind of cloth tape or some kind of paper on it, so that it just dims the light like this, hides it, and then you will not face any problem. Here's the wire. I think they're both like a 3.5mm pin. Let's focus on it. Focus. Yeah, it's a bit bigger. I think it goes right here. I'm sorry, not this one. Yeah, it pops right in. So Finally, what I have to say about them is that this cube is just a wonder. It's actually a little magic, but the edges felt a bit rough, and other than that, it's very good. Currently, my main is GTS version 2M, and this cube, I just love it. The smoothness and feeling is awesome. Let me, I will experience and try to put magnets in it, tension it, therapy, and then see what I can get out of this cube. For budget cubers who are looking for a cube under $5 or 450 taka, get this one. I say get this one. I will also try to compare it to the MF3RS, which was also a very good cube. It was my main till sub 20. And then I got the version 2M and got sub 15. Okay guys, so till then, the video is for here, and till then stay good and bye bye.